AMC stock had a beautiful day today. But guys, I'm going to let you in on something right now. If we expect some sort of external regulation to come in and cause the short squeeze, I'm becoming very skeptical that we're going to see that. If we expect the SEC to intervene or some governmental agency to intervene to allow us to reach these gains that we've been talking about since January, I'm going to say don't place your bets on it. We are going to need to do this, and we are going to need to do this by ourselves. We can't rely on anybody else to come in. And why do I say this? Because we just saw the report that was released on GameStop by the SEC, and it's pretty much a joke, guys. Let's talk about their conclusion in that report and how we can move forward knowing that you and I are the ones that control the power in this situation, not some sort of external regulation or external agency. So if all of this sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay. I'm here to make 2021 the best year ever. If you haven't clicked that subscribe button, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Join us. Become a bro. We are here every single day, and we are growing our portfolios together. And look, if you're brand new to trading and you want to use the links down in the description below for Binance on crypto or Webull to get some stocks and crypto as well, make sure to do that. Sign up. Make a deposit. You're going to get some free crypto, free stocks just for doing that. Okay, guys, let's briefly talk about the conclusion made by Gary Gensler and the SEC, because I believe it's laughable. All right, we expect these guys to go out there and do work, and the conclusion that they came to in their 45-page report was that, well, and you can read it too. I'll probably link it. You guys can actually just go out and check Gary Gensler's Twitter. He's got the report on there. You can watch the whole thing. The conclusion is, well, we need to do more research before we determine whether or not things like payment for order flow is bad, dark pools are bad, and these meme stocks, the volatility is breaking the market makers. Do they understand how much money flows through these market makers on a daily basis? The increased volatility in one or two stocks doesn't break a market maker. Like, who do we think is paying for these reports to be done? You think that I'm sitting here paying for this report to be done? No, guys. The money's flowing in from Wall Street. So who do you think they're going to be on the side of? The retail investor? You and me? Like, do you think they're going to be on our side saying that they can't take away our buy button when volatility kicks in? No, they're going to be on the side of the money. That's who everybody wants to be on the side of, right? If you got $1 million being thrown in your face, great. Multiply that by 1,000. If you got $1 billion being thrown in your face, even better. And that's exactly what they're working with right now. Follow the money and you will see where these conclusions, which aren't even conclusions, but open-ended statements, are really going and who they're benefiting. So with that being said, what do we do, guys? What do we do? Exactly what we've been doing this entire time. We need to hold this stock. We've seen this, and this is proof that it is working, okay? I know everybody always wants to see higher volume. It means more people are buying. Excellent. It's a great run-up. But here's the deal. Just as fast as these people get on, they leave. We've been watching lower and lower and lower volume with AMC for several months now, okay? We're trading around 20, 30, maybe 40 million shares per day, and that is a drastic decrease from the previous months. Now, as more and more people get bored, this is what we can expect, okay? As more and more people get bored, they will fall off. And if we can sustain the same price that we've got now, these are the apes that are holding. These are the ones that will benefit from the squeeze. These are the ones that will make that life-changing money. If you get into AMC and you're worried about your position, you're not going to achieve life-changing money. If you got into AMC and you're already considering selling because it's not moving, you're not going to achieve life-changing money. It's not something easy that's going to come. It's not something free that's going to come. It's not something that we're entitled to just because we bought a stock. We buy it, we hold it, we squeeze it. That means three different things. If you're not into AMC yet, you have to first buy it. If you're already in AMC, You've already bought it, so you hold it. Now that holding part goes into squeezing, because if we don't hold it as the stock is running up, the price never squeezes higher. If we're willing to sell it as soon as we get some good action, the price doesn't squeeze higher. Maybe we get $1 gain, $2 gain, etc. If you are an ape, you take every single penny out of these hedge funds' hands. You do not leave a dime on the table. We didn't start this thing. We didn't get into AMC stock because we came around for a 10% gain. We came in for life-changing money, and if you stay here, if we stay strong, if we stay united, we absolutely leave with life-changing money. Why? Because we're colluding against Wall Street? Absolutely not. Why? Because we're manipulating the price higher because all we do is buy and hold? Absolutely not. If it was illegal to buy and hold a stock, I don't think that they would let you buy stocks in the first place. So it's very funny to me that they try these arguments that, retail investors might be colluding with each other, yet they're taking our buy buttons away. Retail investors might be manipulating the price, yet they send 70% of the orders through dark pools that don't show up until the exchange and the trade has already been made. Maybe we can get them. You see what they're doing here? They're trying to scare you into selling the stock. I'm telling you right now, you guys can go out and buy whatever stock you want, as much of that stock as you want, and they're not going to care unless they're afraid to lose money. If you go out there right now and you bought $1 million worth of Apple, nobody's going to care. If you go out there and buy $1 million worth of AMC, everybody's going to throw their hands up. He's coming after my money. He can't take that. What do you mean he can buy 1 million shares of AMC? I'm worried about AMC going to a higher price. That's their mentality right now. They will target you into manipulating your mind into thinking you're doing something wrong because their money is at risk. The hedge funds, Wall Street, institutions, government, the people that are currently in power want to stay in power. And if you can take their money, you can take their power. Plain and simple. They know it, I know it, and now you know it. So please, do not settle for a 10% gain. Do not settle for a Ricky Gutierrez 20% gain. Do not settle for anything less than everything they have. Now, guys, I want to know down in the comments below if you agree right now, if you were taking AMC stock to the absolute moon, every single penny out of their hands and into our pockets. Let us know down there. Inspire the rest of us to continue holding. And, of course, if this button is still red, make sure to click it, subscribe to the channel. Join us, become a bro. We are here every single day, and we are growing our portfolios together. Webull and Binance, make a deposit using those links down in the description below. You're going to get some free crypto, free stocks. ClayBro883 on Twitter and Instagram. And, of course, guys, until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.